Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make Aluchi Patal Bhaji. Aluchi Patal Bhaji is a delicious and unique Maharashtrian preparation and it is made out of colocasia or arbi leaves. So let's check how to make this amazing preparation. To make Aluchi Patal Bhaji, we have taken 5 colocasia leaves or arbi leaves. You have to remember that for this dish we need arbi leaves with the darker stems, not the lighter ones. We've also taken half cup of grated coconut, half cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 green chili and few flakes of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rai, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon curry leaves, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon goda masala powder, which is a Maharashtrian spice mix, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 10 flakes of garlic, 1/4 cup of besan or chickpea flour, tamarind water which is made from 1/4 cup of tamarind, 1/8 cup of jaggery, 1/8 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of chana dal soaked in water for 2 hours, 1/4 cup of peanuts again soaked in water, 2 tablespoons oil for tempering, salt to taste, first, let's grind together the grated coconut, green chilies, garlic and coriander leaves in a mixer grinder. Our ground paste is all ready. Let's set it aside. So now we've ripped off the stem from our colocasia leaves and now we need to remove the outer thread-like part from the stem. So you just need to peel it off like this. It comes off very easily. Once we are done with this, let's take our colocasia leaves and open them like this, the green part facing us. Now we have placed the stems inside the leaves and rolled them, and now we are going to chop the entire roll finely. So this way our leaves and the stems get chopped simultaneously. So this is a very quick and efficient method to chop our arbi leaves along with the stems. But you can also chop the leaves and the stems separately if you are not very comfortable with this method. So we are showing you this method too. So this is how you can chop them separately. So chopping them together is a time saver. So that's why we also showed you that method. Look at that, our leaves are all chopped now and ready. Now we have chopped the stems separately. These are the peeled stems. Now we need to transfer the leaves and stems to a colander and wash them thoroughly. Once these are washed, we need to transfer them to a vessel in order to cook them. In a separate vessel, we have also transferred the chana dal and peanuts. These are cooker vessels. Now in a cooker, we have placed the vessels one on top of the other, like this. Now we have closed the vessel with a lid and now we are closing the cooker itself. Let's put the weight on and we need to allow this to cook for 3 whistles. 3 whistles have now sounded And once the pressure has subsided, we have opened the cooker and let's check. So the leaves are well cooked, as you can see. They look nice. And now let's check on the dals and the peanuts. These are also cooked well. They are soft. Let's set these aside. Now let's take our besan and mix a little bit of water to it in order to make a paste. You can use a fork to whisk it. Now add this besan paste to the cooked greens. Let's also add in the tamarind water, the jaggery, salt, and the ground paste we made out of coriander leaves, coconut, green chilies and garlic. Mix this very well. Now you need to mash this lightly and also churn it. You can use a buttermilk churner for it. Just churn it lightly. This is getting nicely mashed now. Look at that. Now to this we are going to add our cooked dals and peanuts. Let's now lightly mash these dals as well and churn. Set that aside and let's heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in mustard seeds. Allow these to crackle. Once the mustard seeds crackle, let's add the cumin seeds. Let these crackle as well. The seeds are now spluttering. So at this point, we'll be adding in the green chilies and the curry leaves. And hing or asafoetida powder, garlic flakes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, goda masala powder, and salt. Now let's add in the mixture of boiled greens, peanuts, lentils that we had mashed and churned. Now we need to cook this while stirring intermittently for 10 minutes. And once this is done, we are going to cover and cook this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's open the lid and check on our Aluchi patal bhaji. The Aluchi patal bhaji is all done and it really smells just divine. We need to serve this now. Can't wait to eat it. Let's take it out on a serving bowl. There it goes. Have a look. Aluchi patal bhaji is all ready. It looks and smells really yummy. This is such a unique recipe. Today we are serving it with wangi bhat or brinjal rice. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.